my YouTube channel TV. This is Ndiko's channel TV. I want to use this opportunity to tell you before anything starts, subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below so that I will be able to get back to you. I want to hear your own opinion. I want you to share your opinion with me. Please, my body, they sweet me too much. The way I see people subscribing on this channel, I say, may the good Lord bless you all in Jesus' name. Those of you that have already subscribed, thank you all. In today's Real Talk show, like I told you, people that will be having undiluted Real Talk show on this channel. And that is why I'm hammering it and I'm saying it, that subscribe so that you will not miss out on this. Because this is where you'll be getting the undiluted Real Talk show. So today we'll be discussing on how do you deal with people's progress. How do you welcome people's progress in your life? Are you the type that is excited, that celebrates when people are celebrating? Or are you the type that is angry when you see people celebrating? Because in this life, there are two different types of people. There are some people that whenever you see them in your life is when you have problem. When there is problem in your life, you see them all over you. You see them around you. They will be calling you. These are people that have not called you for years, but all they listen is, this person have this so problem. You will see them just to make themselves feel better, not just to feel that they are better than you. But there are people that whenever you see them around you is when there is progress in your life. When they see that you are succeeding, that is when you see them around you. So, in which area do you belong? Why I'm saying this is that there are some people that they cannot deal with people's progress. They cannot deal with it when they see that people are doing well. That there is something good in your life. They cannot deal with it. When you have problem, you see them all over you. But when you have progress, they feel that you are being celebrated, there is something, you are doing good. They will feel intimidated. That is where the inferiority complex will show. They will disappear from your life. They will disappear from your life. They will try as much as they can to talk down that thing that you are doing that is good. That good news that is in your life. They will bring it down. They will make it look as if it's not a big deal. But deep down in their mind, they know that they cannot do it. They know that that you are far better than them. But they cannot accept it. The way you see them carrying on when you are doing good, the way you see them carrying on when there is progress in your life, or the way you see the attitude they give when you are doing good, or when something good is happening in your life, or when there is success in your life, you will even be doubting yourself. Are you sure this thing I'm doing is it right? Is it okay? Is it real? Because they will talk it down. You will see somebody that will buy a house. Somebody that don't even have a zinc will say, is it by buying a house? Anybody can afford her, but they cannot afford it. You will see somebody that will buy a car. Instead of you to congratulate that person and be happy with that person for buying a car, you will say, is it by buying a car? I can afford it. Even until having children, you will see somebody they just hear that somebody have a baby or had a baby. Instead of you to be happy with that, you say, it's just a bonbon up and down. Now by making babies, just instead of you to be happy for this today. What I'm trying to say today is, in case if you have such people around intimidated, learn how to follow them. Any hand they bring, you follow them with that. If you know deep down in your mind that you are doing good, that whatever you are doing is the right thing, don't allow people's opinion to bring you down. Don't allow people's opinion to make you feel that you are not doing the right thing. Because in this life, even most of the time, it's those people that you don't even expect. It's those people that you don't even believe. They are the one that will support you. They are the one that will support you in anything you're doing. They are the one that will tell you, go ahead, this thing you're doing is good. They are the one that will be looking for a solution for you. But those ones that you think that they are the one, my bestie, they will be there for me and all that, they are the one that will rubbish you. They are the one that will make it look as if what you are doing is bad. They are the one that will make you look as if this achievement that you have been able to acquire, or this thing that you have been able to do, they are the one that will make it look as if it's nothing. They will talk it down. They will rubbish it. I don't want to place this topic in the group of jealousy or envy. No. I don't want to place it. Because they just want to feel that they are better than you. They just want to feel that you are not doing it right. They just want to feel that in short, you they do over sabi. So what am I trying to say? What I'm trying to say is to encourage anybody out there that you are doing something that is fruitful, or you have been able to acquire some properties, and people, instead of them to be happy for you, they are making it look as if it's a bad thing that you have done. They are making it look as if it's a non-issue. It's not a big deal. Look into their life. Look at them and see if they have been able to achieve half of those things that you have achieved. So in this real talk today, what I want to tell you is be focused. Don't allow people's opinion to bring you down. Don't allow people's opinion to make you not to go to where you want to go. Don't allow people's opinion to bring the excitement you have in whatever you are doing. Because people can never appreciate you. People can never appreciate you. You have to appreciate yourself first before people will appreciate you. Because they say that if you can't beat them, you join them. So, don't let them beat you. Let them join you. This is my real talk for today. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to Ndiko's Channel TV. It will do you good. This is what I have for you people on today's real talk show. Thank you for staying with me, and I leave you with the love of God. Bye.